So I'm out here at Portland International Raceway. Not to actually race on the track, but to race on the parking lot over here with Oregon Porsche Club, or Porsche Club of America, the Oregon chapter. I'm going to be one of two vets here. Got the Corvette here. Just going to get her unloaded, get her into tech. This is the first event for the Porsche Club. So I'll get a little video later of the track maybe and whatnot. I'm working first today. Maybe a little sneak peek, some other videos I'm gonna have for the channel at some point. Made a spot to sleep in the trailer so that when we go on long events. Got a full-size bed in there. Still working on getting everything set up. So out here at the Oregon Region Porsche Club of America event. Just did a course walk. And check out some of these cars that are here. Of course I came in a Corvette. There's one other Corvette here, the C8. But obviously a lot of Porsches. Really, a lot of really nice cars. I've run with these guys before. They're really cool people. And I always have a lot of fun running with them. Unlike a lot of the other clubs, I guess not like unlike a lot of the other clubs, but they are clear and concise with their timing of getting the event going, being on time, and just getting things done, and then getting out of here early, which is always pretty cool. I use these as my test events because, you know, I'm not going for points with them, but it's always fun to see them. Checking out some pretty cool cars. So, going to get back to seeing some of the cars and go from there. There's that other Corvette that I'll be going with. Nice little C8. So found this. I don't know if it's gonna focus, kind of. It's hard to tell, but there's coolant pissing out at a high rate. So I'm out. Made 3 runs, top of my class. Made it the 6th on the, or 8th, 6th or 8th on the top of the day, somewhere in there. Kept messing up a back corner over there. But now I've got to get that new radiator in real quick. So I guess I get to watch some of the racing today. Well, that day did not go as planned. I had a new radiator coming. It was supposed to be here Friday. It wasn't. So I chanced it. At least I got 3 runs out of it, and I didn't dust the track, so that's good. Yeah, it's just leaking from right here-ish, where it meets the seal, where it meets. There's no cracks. Couldn't find anything else. It's just right there. So, new one will be here Monday, hopefully, or sometime this week, because I got a race next weekend with BCA. But it was great today running with the Oregon chapter of the Porsche Club of America, I think what it is. Really great people. They put on a great event. Everybody got 8 runs, except for me. I got 3, but hey, I still topped my class and got 7 in packs for the day, so I think I'm doing pretty good. Can't remember what my overall raw time was, but anyway, the car did well. I kept screwing up one section. I could have done a lot better, I think, but anyway, next time, hopefully I have a good radiator. Like I said, the Porsche Club is awesome, and thanks for putting on a great event. Probably going to be going out there next time, so see you out there on track. Time for me to get back to work.